Hello everyone, so today we will talk about Xiaomi Pad 6s Pro. So let's get started. Body. This pad body weight is 590 gram, glass front, aluminum frame, aluminum back. Display. 12.40-inch IPS LCD display with 68B colors, 144Hz refresh rate. And display resolution is 2032 x 3048 pixel. Chip is Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 4nm. Memory 256GB with 8GB RAM and 256GB with 12GB RAM variant. OS Android 14 HyperOS. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture and depth sensor 2 megapixel with 2.4 aperture. Front camera is 32 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. Video capture. Rear camera can capture 4K with 30 and 60 fps, HD with 30 and 60 fps. Front camera can capture HD with 30 fps. Battery. This pad battery is used, it's 10,000 mAh battery. So you can expect a good battery backup from this pad. And charge system 120-watt fast charging system. Connectivity Wi-Fi 7, NFC, fingerprint reader and good sound system. So overall this pad is nice, and if you are looking for a long charging backup, so you can choose this. So that was the video for today, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.